This is the first thing out of your mouth, the first thing they're going to hear from you, and it's got to be strong. It's got to make the audience say, hey! You've got to start your introduction off with a bang!
In 95 when my father was still alive, hip-hop hit my heart and I started to feel the vibe. I'd listen to Nas, spit rhymes too damn correct. I can't forget my doggy style and my Wu-Tang cassette. See, I was only 10, holding the pen, hoping to find schemes, rhyming over and over again. At 13 I had a crew, we flow and hang out, and that's how I started rapping with the homie Bang Pow. He went his way and I went mine. He switched to turntablism, I perfected my rhyme. A decade later we met again and said, what up? We got to get together and tear the stage the fuck up. Enterprising or dough making, but we wanna say thanks to you folks for donating. Peace to all the reviews and dope ratings. For those that bang they skull to this till they don't aching. Thanks to y'all, we gon' keep feasting off MC, and we gon' keep performing, beat making, feasting for a reason. Peace to all you people, Eastern European, Swedish or Norwegian, Aussie, Asian, even North Korean. France, Germany, US and the UK, Africa, Mexico, and even kids from Uruguay. Chill out and bump this, cause this is a new day. And haters, we couldn't give a shit about what you say. It's Childish, Gambino, homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. B-O-O all over me, my green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl and now he got that Koji beef. My dick is like an accent mark, it's all about the over-ease. Hot like a parked car, I sound weird like nigga with a hard R. Fly like the logo on my cousin's 440. Eating Oreos like these white girls that blow me. Vodka for my ladies, whiskey for a grown man. Hanging in the islands looking for Earl like Toe Jam. I made the beat retarded, so I'm calling it a slow jam. Butcher and I know it, man. Kill beef, go ham. These rappers are afraid of him, cause I'm a beast, bitch, girl. Invaders and Gambino is a call girl. Fuck you, pay me. Brand new whip for these niggas like slavery. Told me I was awful and that shit did not faze me. Tell me how I suck again, my memory is hazy. You're my favorite rapper now, yeah, dude, I better be. Or you can fucking kiss my ass, human centipede. You wanna see my girl? I ain't that dumb. You wanna see my girl? Check Maxim, man, why does every black actor gotta rap some? I don't know, all I know is I'm the best one. It's a bonfire, turn the lights out. I'm burning everything you motherfuckers talk about. It's a bonfire, turn the lights out. I'm burning everything you motherfuckers talk about. You know these rapper dudes talk shit, start killing. Fuck that, got goons like an arch villain. this rapper's child's play. I do my name like Princess Di. Yeah, they say they want the realness. Rapped about my real life, told me I should just quit. First of all, you talk white. Second off, you talk like you haven't given up yet. Rap stepfather, yeah, you hate me, but you will respect. I put in work, ask Ludwig. Put my soul on the track like Shoes did. Play this for my cousin, now he can't even think straight. Black and white music, now nigga, that's a mixtape. Shout out to my blurs, they represent the realness. Shout out to Gambino, girls, my dick is in the building. I know you hate me cause your little cousin play me out. I like black girls who nerdy, but when they dance they be saying ow. I'm sorry for who follow me. Chillin' with a Filipina at your local Jollibee. Yeah, I'm in her ass like side of me. So if you see my hand under the table, don't bother me. I don't talk soft, that's that other guy. I'm screaming what the fuck is up like I ain't see the sky. The shit I'm doing this year, insanity. Made the beat then murdered it. Casey Anthony. These rappers won't know what to do, cause all I did was act me like a Looney Tune. And I'll give you all of me until there's nothing left. I swear this summer will be summer camp, bitch.
Just split ya, head so hard that your hat can't fit ya. Either I'm with ya or against ya. Format bent ya, back through that maze I sent ya.
The maze is a daze I blaze, I will amaze. Smoking while you're loking with some California A's. Me and Big, what it is, get it in. Sipping gin with the hen in the alleyway. Banging the Callaway.
Talking to the rap inventor. Nigga with the game type fifth, that flame right. Spell my name right, B.I.G.G.I.E. Iced out, lights out, me and Caesar Leo.
S-N-O-O-P, Big D-O. Old school nigga, 84 El Camino. LBC, no, we love Big E though. I-E-Y, Meek and even Bernardino.
When we party on the west, and it's smoking all night long. Keep it funky on the west.
Going back to Cali, strictly for the weather, women and the weed. Sticky green, no seeds, bitch, please. Papa ain't soft, dead up in the hood. Ain't no love lost.
Y'all know I'm from the West, I'm the king to be exact. You better holler at me when you need that chronic sack. I got it all, one call, no star, on the ball. Winter, spring, summer, fall, listen to me, holler at your dog. Words of the clever, forever multiply. Birds of a feather, preparing on the fly. Perfection, selection, this is a B.I.G.D.P.G.C. connection.
I'ma spell my name one more time, check it. It's the N-O-T-O-R-I-O-U-S. You just lay down slow, sipping on booze in the house of blues. What it do?
When we party on the west, drinking and smoking all night long. Keep it funky on the west, funky on the west side.
Spend about a week on Venice Beach. Y'all niggas is the best, like